right, so here is my little Airbnb in Pittsburgh. Basically, I got a couple of beds out here, and I'm gonna get these windows open, go out for a bit. Got a TV, a little tiny kitchen eating area. I don't know what's back here. Bathroom. There's a light somewhere. Boom. All right, so this is it. Another Airbnb. I always prefer these places over hotels. So I'm gonna go get my stuff, get moved in, and go out and do some exploring.
Look, I face against myself with thoughts adjacent to my health. Like, am I scared to go to hell, and will that stop me from prevailing? Am I failing if I stay at home and take care of my family? I'm still young, I got these dreams I want to get to. God will hear me, or is he saying stop?
What is going on, everybody? It is a beautiful day. I'm here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, taking a little bit of a walk. And yeah, I'm not filming much this trip. I'm just kind of hanging out. But I want to show you, well, there's a bridge over here, and I think down this way I'm going to head more towards the city. Yeah, there's one of the bridges right over here. And this is cool. Pittsburgh has these bridges that I think that's pretty cool. And I think there's some more. We're gonna go down here, head around this corner, down this way. Hope I can get here and not get on the expressway. You see, you got the expressway right there. The city's down this way. And yeah, so we're gonna walk down this street. And it is the 4th of July, so everything's closed today. Let's head down and get into a little bit of stuff. All right, so yeah, I hope I got this film right. It's kind of hard to see in the camera today. We got the noise from the freeway over there, but you see right in front of me, we got the stadium. That's where the Boo Steelers play. And I was downtown the other day. That building, if you can see it with the, I don't know, spires, towers, that's pretty cool. And I don't think I'm like that far, so maybe I'll head down there. My Airbnb is back up the other way somewhere, and I'm not far from downtown. It's just weird now that everything's so deserted on the way down. Yeah, but let's head towards downtown and show you guys a little bit of the city. You know, the thing that I can tell already that's gonna suck about this, the walk down is easy because it's all downhill. Going back, that's going to be a bit of a challenge. And I don't know if I'm going to go into the city or just, you know, that's the thing is, that's typical of me, where I'm just out and have no clue what I'm doing, how far I'm going. And I just know I'm making a mistake because this walk down here is easy. It's all downhill. And that's what I did. I left the Airbnb just to get a little bit of walk in, and I started walking and like, hey, I'm gonna go downtown. So okay, I'm kind of rambling at this point. We're gonna head down under this tunnel and maybe we'll go downtown. This is pretty cool. I'm just walking around and you see this building over here. It used to be stables. I'm sure that's not what it is now. All right, but we're gonna keep walking, heads towards downtown, see what's going on. All right, so I made it down here. This is, I don't know if this is considered downtown, but this is pretty cool. Over here you have, I don't know if that's the football or the baseball stadium. I think this is the baseball stadium. The football stadium was right around, no, that's Heinz Field. Okay, so another stadium is real close somewhere, but over this way, I like how we have all the buildings over here on the other side, the skyline. It would be cool to stay in some of those and have that view of the city. I can only imagine what the rent must be like in that building. Hopefully it's on the camera. Yeah, right underneath the big over the big Iron City beer sign. Huh, I guess that's just, you know, I've never known what that is. I've seen that before, the structure on top of that building. Yeah, this is like interesting. I don't know if Pittsburgh has a subway, because I've seen up here, you can see the trains, and I've seen them going to the city, so I think they go underneath, but I'm not sure. If anybody knows if Pittsburgh has a subway, feel free to let me know. But yeah, those are really, really cool up there. Hopefully I'm getting everything in the camera. It's pretty bright today, so I can't really see the camera, but that would be cool to stay in one of those places up there. All right, so I think I'm gonna, I don't know, I'm gonna keep walking, head into the city a little bit, and I'll catch up with you guys. And right now, this is what you would really call an unprepared, unplanned walk, because right now I wish I had something to drink. I feel my lips are dry. Hopefully I can find a pop machine, get some water or something. But yeah, let's keep walking and see what's down here. All right, so I'm back. I'm in the middle of, I don't know if this is downtown, but I found out this is just the top of this building over here, which is the Science Center. So it's just part of the building. Kind of cool. It looks like a, I don't know, a giant balloon or something. All right, so we're gonna keep heading down this way. I believe the river is right down here, and eventually get to Three Rivers Park, or what is it, the Ohio, Allegheny, and I can't remember the other river, where all the three rivers come together. So, all right, yeah, there's one of them right there. Maybe I'll head over here and get a bit more walking in. All right, guys, so it is just 7 o'clock, and already, I don't know if you see all the people over there. People are getting lined up for fireworks down here already, and it's only 7 o'clock. So the good thing is I found out, you know, it's not a bad walk for me. So maybe I don't know, I'll see how this night goes. Maybe I'll just walk back down and check out some fireworks. But yeah, this is pretty cool. And right over there you can see the fountain. Hopefully you can see it. There you go. This guy says it's kind of hard to see on the camera, but that's where the three rivers come together. And the Ohio, Allegheny, and I can't remember the name of that last one, man. That is going to drive me crazy. So maybe I'm going to walk down that way some and see what's going on down there. Man, I can't tell. Hopefully I got it in the camera. Like I said, it's really, really bright out today. Over there you can see the incline. And let's see, there's that building. Yeah, so it should be in the camera. I still got to get on that. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. Those are pretty cool. You can see it's like, I don't know, 45-degree angle or so. So, all right, I need to keep heading down this way. All right, guys, so I'm here. I'm in downtown Pittsburgh. The sun is really, really bright. And I don't know, I got to figure out where they're doing the fireworks tonight, man. There's a few people over here. There's some people over there. Most of the people are on that side, but I don't think I want to get back to that side because I would have to go across that bridge way over there. So I think I'm going to hang out around here somewhere. But this is pretty cool. Let me show you the views from down here. All right, this is pretty cool. Maybe I'll just shut up and let you enjoy the view. Still here in downtown Pittsburgh. This is pretty cool. This is the memorial to Mr. Rogers. Got the statue there in the middle. You see that's pretty big. And there's stuff behind me, so I can't actually get a little bit closer and film. But this is pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna keep walking around. I need to find a drink somewhere.